Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
And today we're going to be making a couple of different items for you. The first thing we're going to make is some of these sugar-free brownies. And we're just going to be following the directions on the box and cooking it just like the box calls for. We're not going to be putting any kind of frosting or icing on top of it. Just plain brownies. These are for me. I need these. And then also today we're going to be making, I think it's called a dump and go.
Teriyaki Chicken.
Teriyaki Chicken. And so it's supposed to be pretty easy to make. Marie said she thought I could handle that by myself. So we're going to find out how that goes. So this video, you should be seeing it on Friday night if everything goes good. Today it's real cloudy outside, so it looks a little dark, and so I'm not sure how the video is going to be showing up, but hopefully it'll look good for you. We had those real bad storms yesterday, and we've got more rainstorms coming in this evening. So we're going to try to get all this cooked up before the stormy weather gets here. And our daughter's coming over also to eat with us today, so hopefully we'll have it done before she gets here.
And she's also supposed to be bringing Addison. If she gets to make it, the storms may hold her off. I don't know.
Yeah, hopefully it won't.
Yeah.
So, okay, so we're going to get started. We're going to get these brownies in the oven first. And like I said, we're just going to follow the instructions on the box. And it says, do not cook the paper. Okay. Okay. Marie, you want to dump those in for me there?
Okay.
It takes 1 egg. And this is about 3 tablespoons of water. And 1/3 cup of oil. That's all there is to it. So let me blend this up. It is thick. Let me scrape it down a little bit. It's a lot thicker than I expected it to be. Marie, we've never made sugar-free brownies before, have we?
I think we have, Calvin, but it's been a while.
Oh, okay.
I made them. I don't think you did.
Okay. Let me try this again here. Okay. Marie, how you do all these cooking videos with all this stuff sticking together and everything going everywhere? Have you got a secret I don't know about?
I don't think so.
Okay. This is very thick. I've made brownies before, but I've never made any that turn out this thick. Let's see what happens here. Turn around this way.
Maybe it's because it didn't have all the things in it you like.
That must have something to do with it. goodness. Okay. You think that's gonna make brownies, Marie?
Yeah,
Okay.
just smooth it out.
It's so thick. Okay, y'all ladies, don't all be laughing at me now. I see Marie over here laughing
I'm
already.
not laughing. I know how the cake mixes can be.
And any of the men that's laughing at me, just go get your box and try it. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, I better try to get some toward the edges, hadn't I? Because it'll be too thin on the edges if I don't.
Yeah, that's always a good thing to do.
Very thick. Okay, I'm gonna quit right there. Okay, this says to cook it, the box said cook it at 350 degrees for 28 to 30 minutes. And our oven cooks a little hotter than normal, so we'll probably cook ours at 325. So let's get this in the oven, and we've already got the oven preheated. And it's definitely hot. So we're gonna get started doing the prep work for the teriyaki chicken. We'll be back with you in a few minutes. Okay, everyone, we're back. The brownies are almost done. They like maybe about a minute or two more. So we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up while we're there finishing up. And Marie decided to cook some sweet potatoes. And so she's got the sweet potatoes cooking also. So hopefully it's going to turn out to be a real good meal, Marie. I think it will, don't you?
I think so.
Let's start with the broccoli. We've already got the broccoli washed up. And we bought a package of broccoli that's already pre-cut. And we're going to go ahead and use, I think we're going to use it all. Because we like broccoli, don't we, Marie?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the recipe calls for 2 cups. We'll just go ahead and use it all. Let me position it a little bit so it'll look good. Okay, that look all right, Marie?
Looks great.
Okay. Next, we're going to take the bell pepper that Marie's already got chopped up, and we're going to put some bell pepper all through here. And we'll put the little pieces in there. Marie also chopped up 1 onion, so we're going to put all this onion in there. And I'll put all these small pieces right in the middle there. Okay, Marie, you think that looks good enough, hon?
I think you did an excellent job.
Okay, I misplaced my little, there they are right there, here they are. Okay, we'll need these right here to pick up the chicken. And first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on the chicken. And just gonna basically put a pretty good bit on there. I love salt. Okay, and I'm gonna put some pepper on here. Okay, and let me place this chicken in here. You can use chicken breast, or you can use chicken thighs. And in our case, we're using breast tenderloins. We have these in the freezer, and we've got a pretty good bit of them, so we use them for a lot of recipes. Let me move that over just a little bit. Okay, and next we're going to use 1 1/4 cup of teriyaki sauce, and I'm going to try just to spread it all over here pretty evenly. The original recipe says to toss it after you put this on there, but I don't see how you're going to toss it and make it look good, do you, Marie? So we're just going to spray it on here nice and evenly. I think I got everything coated pretty good. Okay, and this is going to go in the oven for, we're going to cook it at 425 degrees for 30 minutes, and we're going to cover it for the first 15 minutes, and then after that we'll take the cover off and let it finish cooking. So when this gets through cooking, brownies will be done and baked sweet potatoes will be done, right, Marie? Mm-hmm. So when this gets done, we'll be back with you and we'll plate it up. Okay, everyone, we're back. We got everything finished cooking. This is our teriyaki chicken, and then Marie made the baked sweet potatoes. She also made some garlic bread to go with it. We've got the brownies here, but the brownies are still a little bit too warm to cut right now, so we'll cut them a little later, and they look like they're only about that thick. So it don't make a big brownie, but hopefully they'll taste good, won't they, Marie?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're also having tea with our meal today. So Marie, I'll let you do the taste test first.
And this is unsweetened tea.
Yeah, it is unsweetened tea.
Okay. Let's see now. We'll get some of this chicken, piece of pepper, and some broccoli. Mmm. It's very good.
Does it taste good? Mm-hmm. That's great. Now, if y'all listen very closely, you may hear a little baby because Addison just got here about a minute ago, And our daughter Cynthia brought her over here. Cynthia is watching her today while her mother is doing some work. And so we're going to have Addison and Cynthia here for a while. We hadn't made Cynthia's plate yet, but she'll be getting a plate just like this. Okay, Marisa, how did it taste?
It tasted delicious.
Okay, that is great. The rice, I forgot to mention we had rice to go with it, but we do have rice to go with it too. Cynthia, is Addison wanting to get on camera for a minute?
I think she wants to say hello.
Well, let her come around here and say hello to everybody. Addison, come around here and tell everybody hello.
Can you say hello?
She's going to look at us. Let me stand out front so she'll look at the camera.
Can you wave hey? Tell Papa hey. Say hey, Papa.
Hey, Addison. Hi, sweetheart. Hey.
Look at that good food.
You want Pop to hold you, aren't you? Yeah. Okay. She's a precious little baby. And she just got here. She said she was hungry, so she's probably going to want to eat too, isn't she? Okay, so this turned out to be a very good meal. Marie, will you give it, what stars will you give that out of 5?
I give it a 5 plus.
5 plus, that sounds real good. Got good seasoning. I like that teriyaki sauce on it. I think what I'll do, before I eat mine, I think I'll take another spoonful of teriyaki sauce and put on top of it to make the rice be just a little more flavorful there. But I like it. I think it's great. I know the potatoes going to be good because you cook them like that all the time. Okay, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Addison's telling y'all bye right now. Hope everybody enjoyed this video, and we will see you on our next video.
And like Calvin said, we'll see you on the next video. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And bye.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you shown me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no